Hey everyone, welcome to our channel, Learn, Do, Teach Hairstyles. For those who don't know us, my name is Carrie and this is my daughter Gracie.
Hi everyone!
This channel is all about learning new and different hairstyles, so if this is your first time here, we would love for you to subscribe, and if you're already a subscriber, we thank you and we love you guys so very much for your support.
Today we're going to be showing you guys how to do the updated version of a dragon braid. Hopefully this will show you more details and be easier for you to understand.
Please forgive us if you hear any snoring in the background. That's our silly dog Bella. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is to split her hair down the middle from the front all the way to the back. Anything I use in this video, I'll leave a link in the description box below. I'm going to work on this side first. All this is like a half a braid. I'm going to clip her left side out of the way. You're going to create a half a braid going all the way down. Use this line as a guide to place your braid alongside this line. So you're going to take a section right here and you're going to split it into 3 equal parts. You're going to take the right strand over the middle and you're going to bring it right here by the line. You're going to scoop up a section from the right all the way to the middle. And you're going to add it to that strand. Now you're going to go ahead and create a stitch of a braid. So you're going to take the left strand over the middle and then you're going to take the right strand over that middle too. Again, you're going to scoop up a section right here, right all the way to the middle, and add it to that strand. And then you're going to create a stitch of a braid. So you're going to go from the left over to the middle, and then the right over to the middle. And this is all repeated. Scoop up a section right here all the way to the middle of that line. And then you're going to do a stitch of a braid. Left over the middle, right over that middle. Try to get the braid right close to that middle. One more time. Scoop up a section right here, all the way to that middle. And then add it to the right strand. And then go ahead and do a stitch of a braid. Left over the middle and right over the middle. Before you go ahead and go down further, you're going to pull these little sections up. We're going to go ahead and pull this up a little bit. That will create the dragon scale. Again, scoop up all the way to the middle. Add it to the right strand and then do a stitch of a braid. And you're just going to repeat all the way down until you have no more to braid. I'm going to pop these up. You can pull it as far as you like to create that dragon scale look. I'm going to go ahead and speed up for time purposes only. Okay, so I'm at the end here. I'm going to take the last of this section and just add it right here and go ahead and continue my braid. Do you notice that the braid is going sideways? That's what you want. This is how you're going to create that dragon scale look. So you're going to just pop up these outside braids and just tug on them and pull them until you like them. I'm going to go ahead and continue the braid all the way down. I'm going to pull these out now because it will be a lot easier than doing it at the end. I'm going to go ahead and speed up for time purposes only. So I'm going to stop here, secure it with an elastic band. So I'm going to do the same thing I did here over on that side. So you're going to take a section right here, split it into 3 equal parts. You're going to take the left over the middle. You're going to scoop up a section right here, all the way to the middle of the line. Add it to this strand, the left strand. Now you're going to do a stitch up a braid. And again, scoop all the way to the line. Add it to the left strand. And then do a stitch up a braid. That's all there is to it. All you have to do is just keep adding from the left side to the left strand. I'm going to speed this up for time purposes only. Okay, so here's the fun part. So you're going to take some bobby pins and see how the space is right here? You're going to just take these braids and just pin it. So you're just going to go ahead and connect them right here. So on this side and then on this side. You can go on the side if you like and just go ahead and connect this side here and then in the middle. That's how it will get connected. I'll show you one more time on the bobby pin. So you're going to put them together take the bobby pin, stick it in, all the way to the other side, and then come right back by using your finger by pushing that bobby pin right into the middle. Okay? When you get down to here, right here, see where it's loose? You're gonna take this, take the bobby pin, scoop it up, go all the way to the other side and scoop it up. Feel that bobby pin and then come right back into the middle of that braid. There won't be any loose sections. You're just gonna keep on doing it all the way down. Now I'm going to take these two here and I'm going to secure it all together with an elastic band. I'm going to go ahead and pop up the scales here a little bit more. I'm going to put a little hairspray. And there you have it. Final spin. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you find value in this tutorial. We hope that this time around you guys understand it a little bit better. If there's a style that you would like us to recreate or even redo, please leave a comment down below.
We love feedback, so let us know about your success in following our videos and what parts we might be able to improve on. Also click on the notification bell right next to the subscribe button.
Help support our channel by clicking the links in the description. This helps us to continue making videos for you guys. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and click our logo below so you don't miss any of our upcoming tutorials.
To watch more of us, click on over there. Love you guys. Until next time,
Learn it, do it, and teach it to others.
Bye.
Bye guys, God bless.